worked with Cabinet Direct, and it was a great company. We worked with Robin, the designer, was really helpful. She took a lot of time with us, spent many hours actually helping us design and make adjustments. Cabinets were really good. We selected Decora, which is they're really nice cabinets. Miro was the gentleman who put them in. His crew was excellent. They spent a lot of time, they spent a lot of effort and quality in doing it. Miro was, the thing I really liked about Miro, you could always communicate with him, you could always reach him, he'd always call you back or email you back very quickly. They were really a pleasure to work with.
And his crew was really prompt. They were here early every day, and no problems with it at all. They worked all day, and it was just really great.
Yeah.